How to delete a YouTube search from your channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. To delete any YouTube search from your channel, first launch your YouTube app and sign in to your account. Tap U icon at bottom right corner to access this page. Tap View Channel at top right corner. Now tap on Manage Videos, and here you need to tap on Shorts. These are all your shorts video that you have uploaded on YouTube. So in order to delete YouTube shorts, select three dots next to it. From this menu, there are a variety of options. Tap delete, and then you need to confirm by tapping on the delete button. And after that, the video will be permanently deleted from your YouTube channel. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.